Good morning students, welcome to Heritage Public School online class. So in today's class we are going to write sound of vowel U. Okay, in English copy. Let's start sound of vowel U. So today we are going to write sound of vowel U. आपको ये अपनी 4 लाइन नोटबुक यानी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में करना है. फर्स्ट NUT नट, second HUT hut, third PULL pull, fourth CUB cub, fifth GUN gun, sixth FUN fun, seventh JUG jug, eighth MUG mug, 9 SUN sun, and 10 TUB tub. ओके, सो आपको इसे 2 टाइम्स करना है in your English notebook. Okay, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.